Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of one of my favorite Tony of Beverly wigs. It's really nice and affordable, and I think this hair texture probably looks the most like my bio hair texture out of all of the wigs from their line. This is the underappreciated little gem Viola in the color Wineberry. So I think I'm going to talk about Viola first, and then I'll tell you more about the color when I take it off so I can get it right up in the camera. This is not a hand-tied wig. You know, lots of the Tony Beverly collection that gets a lot of attention here online tends to be their hand-tied stuff, or at least their monofilament top stuff. This is a completely open cap wig. It doesn't have any lace anywhere on it, but yet look how it moves in the wind. Look at the layering, look at the luscious texture, and it took very little manipulation to get it to look like this. I literally just went like this. That's it. And I did that for about a minute and a half and she went right into place. I love this layering in the front. It is so effortless. It is so beautifully cut. It's just very lovely. So this doesn't lay limp and lifeless and then poof out at the bottom. This is nice and moderately full all throughout. There's a little bit of permatease in the cap here. Not too much, but for somebody with a face that's as round as mine, I think it's basically the perfect amount. This is just a beautifully constructed wig and the style is cut very well. Let me go ahead and do a little 360 for you so you can see what this one looks like from all sides. So yeah, I really like this one a lot. I love this Wineberry color, by the way. It's kind of amazing. So let me show you that the bang is really long. So it's definitely meant to be swept off, kind of like almost feathered on the side here. So it's 7 inches, about 7.5 at its longest over here on the side. Also on the side it's symmetrically cut. The crown down is 7.5. The nape is about 7 inches, but you know, it's curled, so kind of take that with a grain of salt. And the overall length from the top to the bottom here at the nape is about 17 inches. But again, take that with a gigantic grain of salt because this is such a curly wig. So I almost don't want to take this one off because it's so darling, but I'm going to go ahead and take it off so I can show you what the cap looks like. Tony Beverly makes some really nice open cap wigs, as I'm trying to show you here. This one has a generous band of felt right here at the front hairline. It is open on the top, open on the sides. Nice amount of wefts here on the back, by the way. You see how those aren't super spaced out? You're getting a generous amount of hair here, but it's still natural looking on. We also have an extended nape made of felt with Velcro adjusters. There is felt here on the ear tabs as well. They're closed ear tabs. And like I said, this one does have a permateased top. So let me show you this color up front, you know. It's really lovely because you get this beautiful dark auburn in here. You also get a nice bright medium auburn with a more natural auburn in there and a little bit of butterscotch blonde. So very dynamic color. Very beautiful red. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back on for you now just to show you how easy it is. Because some of those hand-tied wigs I've reviewed today, you know, I have to go make sure they're positioned properly and comb them out, just because they tend to be a little fussier. But this one's got permatease in it. So she basically goes right into place. Sometimes you just gotta say hooray for permatease. This is a 3.18 ounce wig, so she's nice and light despite the cap construction. And so this has been the Viola, which is kind of an unsung hero of the Tony of Beverly line, in the color Wineberry, which is a really nice bright chestnut color. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, coming to you from all over Kingdom Come to show you wigs, which is it's an effort, let me put it that way. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com, and I hope you have a great afternoon. Be sure to check out our wig store if you get a moment. Alright, have a nice day. Bye-bye.